Now, the real question is, how can we translate a complex chemical process into an Aspen Plus simulation model? To put it simply, this can be done by performing the following steps. First, we list them, then we will discuss each one of them in detail. In step 1, you will need to specify the chemical components involved in the process being modeled. You can find these components in Aspen Plus built-in databanks, or you can introduce them to the Aspen Plus platform. We will see this in detail further ahead. In step 2, you will need to specify the thermodynamic model that is best suited for the process being modeled. A thermodynamic model in the Aspen Plus environment is a set of property methods that represent the physical properties of the chemical components being modeled. These models are also built into Aspen Plus. Examples of property methods include NRTL and UNIVAC, just to name a few. There will be more about this in a later video. In step 3, you will need to define the flow sheet of the process being modeled. This step includes defining the unit operations in the process, the process streams that flow into and out of the unit operations, and selecting unit models from Aspen Plus model palette. These unit models will describe each of the unit operation being modeled and are connected to one another using process streams. Next, in step 4, you will need to specify the component flow rates and the thermodynamic conditions, such as temperature, pressure, and mass or molar composition. You will need to do this for all feed streams. Lastly, in step 5, you will need to specify the operating conditions for each unit operation model. For example, the pressure, the number of stages, or the reflux ratio if a distilling column is being modeled. Once you successfully perform these 5 steps, Aspen Plus will inform you via the simulation status that all required input data are complete. You can then run the simulator, perform sensitivity analyses, design specification checks, equipment debottlenecking studies, and so on. At this stage, do not worry if some or all of the steps highlighted in this video are not clear for you. In the next couple of videos, Aspen Plus experts at WR Training will guide you step by step through the process of modeling chemical processes. WR Training guarantees that after completing this online course, you will become an advanced Aspen Plus user. You might not be an Aspen Plus expert, but you will be prepared to become one if that is what you like and persist to be.